Easy on, Gone with the Wind from the outside, statues done on the inside is entering the run southbound, swing both Lake Cayman, Manila, Midnight Bell, Victory Cross, Angelus, Kirikada, Milagros, Second Last, and Country Charm is the early trailer. 9A, Gone with the Wind, racing on the outside, statues, southbound, racing in third by Drell, and racing in fourth by about 4 lengths Angelus, Lake Cayman, Manila, swing both, rushing up now is Kirikada, Milagros, Victory Cross, Midnight Bell, and Country Charm. Another far turn, it's still Gone with the Wind, statues, southbound, Angelus, Lake Cayman, Manila, Country Charm, Kirikada, Milagros, racing in seventh position, and still moving up as they race the final corner. Is Statuette southbound to grab the lead. It's now southbound, Statuette, Country Charm, Angelus, Kirikada, Milagros on the further outside. Southbound, Country Charm, Angelus, and Kirikada, Milagros on the outside. Victory Cross by Drell, Country Charm on the outside. Is Kirikada, Milagros, and finally, Kirikada, Milagros, the owner, the birthday boy, Chairman Dandan Tan.